ThinkRider X5 Neo Smart Trainer Unpacking and Assembling. 1. Counting the accessories of X5 Trainer. Please check all the accessories after unpacking. ThinkRider X5 Trainer's parts include the trainer's body, the trainer's leg, the front wheel pad, power adapter, a quick-release lever, an Allen key, cassette spacer and quick-release adapters. Finally, there is an X5 product instruction. 2. Assemble the X5 Neo Trainer. During assembling, attention should be paid to the installation direction of the trainer's leg. Make sure the leg is extended forward. The X5 trainer can be installed easier with its body lying on its side. After aligning the 4 screw holes, we use the Allen key in the accessory bag to tighten the 4 screws one by one. It is recommended to use the torsion wrench during the installation, and the torque of the 4 screws should reach 10 to 12 Newton meters. Make sure all 4 screws are tight enough and the trainer is securely installed, otherwise it could cause injury. 3. Install the cassette and the adapters. First, prepare the socket wrench tool needed to install the cassette. This is a cassette spacer from the accessory bag. The spacer is for 8, 9, 10 speed cassette. If your cassette is 11 speed, then the spacer is not needed. Spin the Shimano HG free hub. The feature of Shimano HG free hub is that one concave is wider than the others. Turn over the cassette and you can find a wider convex corresponding to the free hub. Aim convex to the concave. Push the cassette to the bottom. The rest cassette parts installation method is the same. Then use the cassette tool to lock the cassette lid. Use a wrench to lock the lid to appropriate torque, that's 35 to 50 Newton meters. Install the adapter on the drive side first. Simply plug it in to install. Then install the adapters on the non-drive side accordingly. For the 130mm quick-release bicycle, the adapter on the non-drive side can be installed in reverse, and it is suitable for 135mm quick-release bicycle. Please note that X5 trainer's accessories do not include the through-axle adapters and the Anti-Plus USB receiver. If you are using a through-axle bike, you will need to purchase through-axle adapters for the X5 trainer separately. Anti-Plus USB receivers are also needed to be purchased separately. If your cassette are CPO XDR, you can also purchase a CPO XDR free hub that fits with the X5 trainer. 4. Install bicycle. Next, we show you how to install the bicycle. First, push the shifter to the minimum cassette. Then remove the quick release or through axle. Then the rear wheel can be taken down. Next, aim the chain to the minimum cassette and put the back onto the trainer's adapters. Screw on the quick release or the axle. Make sure the chain and shifter are in the right place. Please make sure the smaller head of the spring is inward. 5. The software connection. First, plug in the power source of the trainer. The power joint is under the trainer. After plugging in all the power outlets, the trainer will light up, and the fan behind the trainer turns on after plugged in the power. The 5 digits of Anti-Plus number are at the back of the trainer. Next, you can connect the power phone cycling software. The software supports Windows 8 system and above, as well as Apple and Android phones. You can also pause the video and download the app directly by scanning the QR code. After the installation is completed, open the PowerPhone app and enter the device connection interface. Plug the Anti-Plus receiver into a computer's USB port, and the software will recognize the receiver. At the same time, Anti-Plus devices nearby will be found and displayed. Connect your bike trainer to the app according to the Anti-Plus number on your trainer. If you have a head weight belt or a cadence sensor, you can also connect them to the app. Click the riding screen to find your favorite route in the world map. You can zoom in and out of any location, and the popular routes around it will be displayed on the map. Alternatively, you can click on Route module, find your preferred route by name or by route number, and then click on Solo Ride to start riding. PowerFun also has a competition mode. You can choose and join the event you are interested in and compete against the players all around the world. In addition, the software also has a pure training mode of various training courses and training plans for you to choose and improve yourself. 6. Trainer maintenance. You can use SyncRide Tools app to upgrade the firmware of the trainer or do a spring-down calibration on the trainer. SyncRide Tools app can be downloaded from Tencent App Store, Google Play, and Apple Store. Please ensure that the SyncRide Tools app is the latest version before performing any maintenance on the trainer. If you are not sure, you can uninstall it and download it from any of the 3 app stores above. When installing the app, please make sure to pass all the permissions required by the app. When using the app, please also turn on the Bluetooth and GPS location switch. Before doing calibration, please ride the trainer for 2 minutes, then click Calibration. According to the tips on the app, ride until the speed is 36 km per hour, and then stop pedaling. Wait for the note of the app. During the process, do not cut out the app and do not disconnect the power supply of the trainer. When the calibration is finished, the app will tell you that the calibration was successful. The X5 trainer supports firmware update. In the SyncRide Tools app, click the firmware update and connect the X5 trainer. In the update process, do not exit the app and do not disconnect the power supply of the trainer.